Finally. Ugh. Hey, who's got my hat?
Look, I'm Woody. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Give me that.
Say there, lizard and stretchy dog. Let me show you something. It looks as though I've been accepted into your culture. Your chief, Andy, inscribed his name on me.
Wow! With permanent ink, too.
Well, I must get back to repairing my ship.
Don't let it get to you, Woody.
Let what? I don't, what do you mean? Who?
I know Andy's excited about Buzz, but you know, he'll always have a special place for you.
Yeah, like the attic.
Now you've done it. You've made me 1930s work whistle angry.
All right, that's it.
Unidirectional bonding strip.
Mr. Lightyear wants more tape.
Listen, Light Snack, you stay away from Andy. He's mine, and no one is taking him away from me.
What are you talking about? Where's that bonding strip?
And another thing, stop with this spaceman thing. It's getting on my nerves.
Are you saying you want to lodge a complaint with Star Command?
You actually think you're the Buzz Lightyear? Oh, all this time I thought it was an act. Hey, guys, look! It's the real Buzz Lightyear!
You're mocking me, aren't you?
Oh, no. Buzz, look, an alien!
Where?
Ah!
Whoa,
Uh-oh.
it's Sid.
I thought he was at summer camp.
Hey, I must have kicked him out early this year.
No, not Sid.
Who is it this time?
I can't tell. Hey, where's Lenny?
Right here, Woody.
Oh, no, I can't bear to watch one of these again. Oh, no. It's a combat Carl.
What's going on?
Nothing that concerns you spacemen. Just us toys.
I'd better take a look anyway. Why is that soldier strapped to an explosive device?
That's why. Sid.
Ooh, sure is a hairy fella.
No, that's Scud, you idiot. That is Sid.
You mean that happy child?
That ain't no happy child. He tortures toys just for fun.
Well, then we've got to do something.
What are you doing? Get down from there.
I'm gonna teach that boy a lesson.
Yeah, sure. You go ahead. Melt him with your scary laser.
Be careful with that. It's extremely dangerous.
He's lighting it. In the dirt.
Yes, he's gone. He's history.
I could have stopped him.
Buzz, I would love to see you try. Of course, I'd love to see you as a crater.
The sooner we move, the better.